Welcome back to my channel once again. So in this video I'm actually going to be talking about the Meshchain airdrop. So currently you see that the listing is actually coming soon. It has left with only a day and some hour for the listing to be revealed. So in this video I'm actually going to be showing you step by step on how you can able to withdraw your MCC token to your wallet. So in this video I'm actually going to dive into this purpose. So without further ado, if you're actually interested in whatever that I'm doing over here, and you just want to motivate me by always bringing more updates, then make sure to smash the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more updates over here. And also you can leave a comment down below in whatever that you don't understand. I'll reply you as soon as possible. Alright, so let's go. Alright, so the Meshchain airdrop. So when it comes to their Telegram channel, they're having over 3.2 million subscribers over here, and which shows that this was actually legit. And this is their new post over here. They say that you can withdraw your MCC to your wallet. So in this video I'm actually going to be showing you how you can able to do what they are saying in order not to lose your MCC token over here. So first of all, you can see that this is what they're having here. So if you haven't joined their Telegram channel, make sure to join, because this is where you can able to get the link to register your wallet. Alright, so this is their wallet section over here. So when you come and you click it, and it will direct you to your wallet. So let me click it, and let me dive into my wallet for you to see. Alright, so this is their wallet interface over here. You can see that they are still saying that MCC token listing is coming soon. So it has left with 1 day, 9 hours and some minutes. So it will list on January 23rd on around 1 o'clock. Alright, so this is currently my reward over here. I'm currently having over 3,818 points. So I think the point will be converted into the MCC token before the listing will be available soon. Alright, so when you come here, if you haven't created a wallet account, make sure to do so. All you have to do is your email and your password for you to do it. It's very simple as that. Alright, so in this video, when I come to the wallet section over here, so this is the wallet section over here. So click on the wallet section over here. Alright, so you want to come to the wallet section over here. So this is what they're saying. So currently you might see that you'll be given, sometimes they will give you additional BNB. So mine is 2.3 USDT over here. So if you want to withdraw your MCC token, all you have to do is to click on the withdraw and choose that, and select your withdraw token. So you can go for an MCC token. So you see that right now the MCC token has not been listed yet. So you can still wait for the listing time for you to withdraw. So when it's time for you to withdraw to their decentralized exchange, then you come here for you to copy your address from the wallet and come and paste it here, then enter the amount that you want to withdraw, then you click and confirm. It's simple as that. So let's hope for the listing time. And guys, I just want you to be patient for the listing time before you can able to withdraw. So for now, while they have not listed yet, you cannot withdraw. So let's wait for the listing time, then you can withdraw. Alright, so this is what I will leave you here, and I'll also bring you more updates on this soon. Watch out for my next video. Peace out.